Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome again in my YouTube channel. My name is Neetu and you are watching English Stock Corner. So today is the day one of my English speaking challenge, and here I am thinking that I should take at least 7 days of English speaking challenge, and in that 7 days I'll try to speak at least 5 minutes. Okay, so in today's topic I'll talk about that who motivates me to learn English. Okay, so guys, uh, earlier when I was studying in 10th class, when I completed my 10th class exam, board exam I completed, at that time I got 3 months holiday from my school. Okay, so at that time my mother said to me, my mother gives me two options: either you can go for the stitching part or either you can go for the speaking part. At that time I thought about the stitching was very bad, so then I'll go for English speaking part, because there is one of my friend who is very close friend of mine. She's also going with me. She was also going with me. Okay, okay. Then we both start going there. We both get interest in that, because from my nursery to 8 my English is say that I am good at in grammar part. Whatever the teachers are talking to me, teaching to me, I can able to understand, and I am able to make English also. Okay, sentences also. Okay, then I went there for taking my tuition classes, and at the time I just took 3 months spoken classes. After that, I don't know, there is one of my teacher, his name is Anuj Panchal. Whenever he was speaking, I was thinking like that, oh my god, how he is speaking in English. He speaks English like a Hindi language. Like, if I'll talk to you, this is my mother tongue, and he is speaking like the same. Then I asked to my sir that how my sir, like, how sir you are speaking this language. So he said to me, Neetu, in this teacher profession I am working last from 6 to 7 years, so now it's become to my habit. And in my teaching, in my institute, there is a one rule: people cannot speak in a Hindi language. So I was surprised. Whenever you have to say something, try to explain the things, try to do some activities so that people can understand what you want to try to say that. Okay, so then I asked to mr and then I asked to my senior, okay, so sir, I really wanted to become a fluent speaker like you. So he said to me, yeah, everyone can become a fluent speaker, but only you just need to do one thing, that is English speaking practice. Practice is more important. The more practice you will do, the more you can learn this language, the more you will get so many ideas to express the words. Okay, and I just kept these things line in I just kept these things in my mind. Okay, so I decided to do all the things, but in again when I go back to my home, then all the peoples are speaking in Hindi, and I was only the one who is speaking in English. After that, there is a one examination, like 2 months later, there is a one exam was conducting by the senior. So there is one senior came to my branch, and they were taking, and they all were taking online session. They were all are talking about how the kids are, how the students are speaking. Okay, so then I went from my teachers, and they how I talked about him. I explained the whole story about, okay, about my English speaking journey. I talk about everything. Okay, so then I realize him, and he just give me one 5 to 6 7 marks, and after that they gives me my feedback to my senior. Okay, so we are 20 students, and after 20 students, I we only two people are selected from that. So I, after that, I don't know how much marks I got, and that how much my seniors gave me marks. Okay, the next day I come back, I go to my institute, and then my senior Anuj Pansal said to me, Nitu, you all know, you know, like, who is the topper of the yesterday exam. And I said, I don't know who was the topper, but you tell me who was the topper. I don't think so that I can be. I didn't say I can be, I said who, I don't know who are the, because there are lots of tutor toppers are there. So he said to me, when you are speaking this language, I know you did lots of mistake, but senior only notice how you are speaking this language confidently. So somewhere I think that I know I am doing lots of mistake, but when I'm speaking, people can get easily to me, he can understand. And I'll try to speak very simple English so that senior and I can ask, I can understand. Okay, at the day I realized that yeah, I can be master in that. After that, the some situation came in my life, then I stopped to learning this language. Then I got married. After that, then after I have a baby, when my baby was 1.5 years old, at that time I started my English speaking journey again. This was my passion. I really wanted to learn this language. I really want to speak this language. But the problem is that whom, because in the institute you are investing only 1 or 2 hours. After that you really come back to your home and there is no one whom should I do my English speaking practice. So that was the reason. And then I said to myself, if there will be now no one, now I really want to speak this language. And I did it. And right now I'm doing lots of things to improve my English. Okay, so this is all I am done, and I think I speak more than 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the day 1 I have completed now. So now let's see how I will discuss about the second topic. You can suggest me also that what should I speak in my second topic. Okay, so bye bye guys, let's meet in another video. Okay, bye bye.